Fossilized bones aren't necessarily found where the animal lived. They could have been washed to a new location. But tracks were made by dinosaur moving about its environment, so they are an important link between these prehistoric animals and the habitats they lived in. Dinosaur tracks were made in soft sediment, leaving a mold, and covered or left undisturbed until it could fossilize. Dinosaur tracks can tell us relative size and weight of dinosaurs that made them by looking at length and depth of the track, how the dinosaurs moved, like on two legs or four, how the dinosaur walked, called its foot posture, how fast the dinosaur was moving, behavior. Sometimes tracks can indicate if a dinosaur moved alone or in herds based on the number of fossilized tracks. Paleo environment, what the environment looked like when the dinosaur was alive. For example, ripple marks around the tracks might indicate a lakeshore or tidal flats. By using this information, paleontologists can make inferences about what kind of dinosaur made the tracks. An inference is a conclusion based on evidence and reasoning. Bipedal tracks, or walking on 2 feet, can only have been left by theropods or ornithopods. Theropod tracks are generally longer and narrower than those of ornithopods. Amazingly, by comparing fossil footprints to modern footprints, we can infer the speed of a dinosaur by measuring its footprint compared to its hip height. If the distance between the footprints, its stride length, divided by the hip height of the dinosaur was less than 2, then the dinosaur was probably walking. If it was greater than 2.9, then the dinosaur was probably running. Look at specimen 11, Grallator cuneatus track with mudcrack. Measure the distance between the modeled tracks near the specimen to get the stride length. If the fossil of this Grallator had a hip height of 180 centimeters, was this dinosaur probably walking or running when it made this track? Show your work. Remember, if the stride length divided by hip height is less than 2, it shows the dinosaur walking. If it is more than 2.9, then it shows the dinosaur running.